I actually wasn't planning on opening up this stuff, but I figured it'd be helpful for you guys to see the way that we've structured things on the back end, right? So that you can take some of those same strategies to implement inside of your own business, right? Jam-packed with information. But I really want to... I'm not good at this stuff. I'm not good at creating spreadsheets and running numbers. And I recognize the power of who, not how, right? Most amazing concept that I ever wrapped my mind around. Who can I find that has the skills that I need to accomplish this task? Once you find them, explain your process, show them what you want, and let them build it, right? That'll change your life. That'll change your life forever. And that's an amazing book, by the way. Who, Not How. Who, Not How. That's a good read.
Then my front back page.
Okay, let me let him on real quick. Awesome. Hey, and let them know too, bro, that we'll go ahead and give you guys a link. We'll take the recorded call so you guys can get access to it.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. So that's the overview. I know that's a lot of information. I actually wasn't planning on opening up this stuff, but I figured it'd be helpful for you guys to see the way that we've structured things on the back end, right? So that you can take some of those same strategies to implement inside of your own business, right? Jam-packed with information. But I really want to dial in and center on this one thing, right? On getting you guys onboarded with the retail fund process. Again, this 45-minute strategy call, just similar to this, but it's really just straight to the point, what that process looks like. If you guys have already tuned into this whole video, no need to watch it, right? The deal submission link, real simple. Follow the steps, submitting deals into the system. We do maintain an open line of communication with all of our partners. So in the early stages, having the confidence to make offers, right? Especially when it's like, hey, we're like pretty close to retail here in my offer. I've never made an offer so high before because I've never sold a wholesale deal this high. What do you think? Right. We got our underwriting team on the back end to help really walk through those steps. But the goal is to get you guys in the driver's seat, right? So you can see you have the roadmap right here, right? You got the buy boxes. Again, focus on these markets. So I would, in the partnership portal, go straight down to fund 2. Go bananas in these markets, right? These are the overlapping markets. And I'm pulling more aggressive offers in here across the board than most of the other markets up here, right? Not to say don't hit these areas. If you got opportunities, get them. But these are the heavily congested markets that we're seeing the best results. Strike zone, but 110 to 300,000. 2-bed, 1-bath and up, 800 square feet and greater. Go straight to your zip code list, pull it up. You got your zip codes. That's your buy box. Release that into your marketing, and let's get it rocking. That's really all I got, guys. We have quick links. So these little bit.ly links, I'll give you guys access to it too. But again, the submission form, this is just a quick link taking you to the submission. The partnership portal, your bit.ly partnership portal link will take you straight to the partnership portal. I would save the partnership portal in your bookmarks, and I would save your submission link in the bookmarks so you can quickly access it when you're turning and burning on your computer, right? Hedge fund video. This is a different video that I did a strategy call with some of our partners. And we dove in with this video more along the lines of I was actually pulling zip codes, putting them into PropStream, pulling up properties, looking at comps. A little bit has changed since then because this was recorded about 3 months ago, but similar concepts. And then again, weekly strategy call. We'll be doing a strategy call every Wednesday. This is your link to that, right? So that's today. This onboarding process, I'm actually going to move to a different time so that in the future, the strategy calls, we can focus on really building and empowering you guys, just with some more deep strategies and really try to equip you guys as much as we can. We do have a Facebook group, Wholesalers Playbook. Come check us out. This isn't another one of your big wholesaler groups, wholesaling houses full time. I have a separate group that's just kind of across the board. You know, we hang out, market, network. Wholesalers Playbook, we're focusing solely on the retail hedge funds, right? So this is for our investment partners. More of an intimate group. You can see we only got 39 members that are in the trenches learning the roadmap. We ask that, you know, we keep it pretty spam free. We're not trying to promote ourselves and much else. We do want to promote unity. Let's come together. Let's celebrate wins, victories. If you got a check, boom, post it up, right? But we're not funneling people to, you know, other groups or whatever we're doing. But again, we're here to guide you guys, here to help you underwrite deals. We're going to provide acquisitions, training and processes, marketing, building a team, and vertically integrating, right? This is stuff that I have experience doing. And wow, for the first time in a long time, I can say I've come up for air, right? That I have the right people in the right seats, and I can think higher level processes like a visionary needs to be, right? Visionary's role should be at a 30,000 square foot or 30,000 foot view above ground, where they can look down on the business, see the inner workings, and be able to construct it in a way that every person has what they need, right? That every person has the confidence, that they feel appreciated, and that you also give them ownership, give them leadership opportunities within your organization. There's a military term called decentralized command, right? And all that is you're giving leadership opportunities to people on your team, right? It gives them a place of understanding. It makes them feel important, right? And it helps you to really elevate once you can look at your business as different pillars: acquisitions pillar, marketing pillar, dispositions pillar, right? That's what's going to really help you elevate. You guys got any questions as far as markets, deals, process? What are you guys thinking?
Hey, yo, Ben, can you send me those quick links? Because I think when I wasn't able to register, you just did the link straight out.
Yeah.
Get on the Zoom call.
Yep, I got you. Let me go ahead and do that right now, bro.